LightSafe. So tell me a little bit about yourself. We're going to get in here and do some welding. I do know that.
Yep, I'm David. I work at Terra Laser, and we weld with IPG LightWeld 1500. I'm going to show you guys how to do pipes with it. Awesome.
And this is going to be great because I'm not technically a welder by trade, but I'm going to get in there. I've welded a few times. Let's see how this goes.
Okay. So, the biggest thing with this machine is eye safety.
Okay.
You can damage your retinas from this machine if you don't wear any eye protection.
Okay.
So, I'll start by giving you some eye protection.